Hello and a warm welcome to Keeping It Real by Housing.com, the podcast where we dive into the world of real estate and explore the trends and, of course, discuss insights about the industry. I'm your host, Gaurav Choudhury. In this episode, we are diving into the latest trends in India's residential real estate market, focusing on inventory overhang and what it really means for the industry. According to the latest Real Insight Residential Quarter 1 2025 by PropTiger.com, the transaction and advisory services platform that is part of REA India, that also owns Housing.com, inventory overhang has increased to 26 months, sparking concerns about market growth. So, what is the inventory overhang? Well, it's a crucial metric that represents the number of months required to offload existing stock in the market. Think of it like a barometer that measures the balance between supply and demand. Cities like the Mumbai metropolitan region, Pune, and Hyderabad contribute significantly to unsold stock, with MMR or the Mumbai metropolitan region having the highest inventory overhang and Ahmedabad having the lowest. But here's the thing, we need to look beyond the headline numbers. A high inventory overhang does not necessarily mean the entire market is slowing down. Anecdotally, we know that inventory overhang could be higher in projects with remote locations or those facing urban infrastructure development challenges. For instance, a project might be stuck in a backlog due to delayed road connectivity or, for instance, lack of public transportation. In such cases, the inventory overhang might not be a reflection of the overall market demand, but rather a specific project's limitations. Additionally, projects with legal disputes might also contribute to the overhang. Litigations or regulatory issues can slow down project completion, leading to a buildup of unsold inventory. Again, this does not necessarily indicate a market wide trend, but rather a project specific issue. In most areas, the market remains relatively bullish. Demand is still strong and buyers are actively looking for properties. The key is to understand the nuances behind the numbers and not jump to conclusions based on headline inventory overhang numbers. By doing so, we get a more accurate picture of the market's health and make informed decisions. Let's dive into the latest new launch data for Q1 2025 and take a closer look at the numbers to look for cues. So, what do we see here? The total new launches across major cities in India have increased by 5% quarter on quarter, but there is a 10% decline year on year. Interesting, isn't it? Right? Let's break it down city wise. Bengaluru is on fire. We are seeing a hopping 82% year on year growth in new launches, with 18,183 units launched in the first quarter of 2025, that is Jan to March 2025. That's a significant jump from 10,000 units in the same quarter of 2024. On the other hand, Pune has seen a substantial decline of 38% year on year, with 15,543 units launched in the first quarter of 2025 compared to 24,945 units in the quarter 1 of 2024. Hyderabad has also seen a decline of 33% year on year. Ahmedabad, on the other hand, has seen a significant decline of 23% year on year, while Kolkata has seen a massive growth of 138% year over year. Delhi NCR has seen a 16% year on year growth, while Mumbai has seen a 15% decline. Chennai has remained relatively stable with a 2% quarter over quarter growth and a 14% decline year over year. So, what's the takeaway? The market is cooling, but certainly not crashing. It's a natural correction after a period of rapid growth. As the industry undergoes consolidation, it is essential to focus on structural fundamentals and sustainable growth. That's it from us for this episode. We'll be back again with a fresh episode of Keeping It Real by Housing.com with information and insights on the real estate industry. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we are here to keep you entertained and informed about the world of real estate in India. This is Keeping It Real by Housing.com, where we keep it real always. You can catch the episode on Housing.com, on the Housing.com app, on the YouTube channel of Housing.com, on Earshot.in, on Spotify.com, on JioSaavn, on Apple Podcasts, and a host of other podcast streaming platforms and directories. Take care and stay safe.